Koy. Good
Hello,
evening.
Koy. Good evening.
Can you
Good
hear me
evening.
well?
Well,
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you. Can you also see me well?
well,
Yes, I can.
Okay, that's great to hear. So once again, dear, good evening, and welcome back to our class today. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Oh, that's good to hear. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Ah, yes, you did. Okay, that's good to hear. So once again, Koy, good evening, and welcome back to our class. Okay, I'm happy and I'm glad that you were able to attend our class again tonight. Okay, so today is Sunday, Koy. All right, what did you do or what activities did you have for today?
Mm, I play with my sister.
Okay, you play with your sister. Aside from that, what else do you?
And I'm watching TV.
Okay, and then you also watch TV. So you did not have any classes?
No, I don't
No.
have.
All right, what about homeworks? What about homeworks?
What?
Homeworks, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, what about homeworks? Do you have homeworks to do?
Yes.
Yes, you do have as well. Okay, so thank you very much for that, dear. Okay, so Koy, let me now share my screen so we can start with our lesson and activities for tonight. Okay, can you see my screen, Koy?
Yes, I can.
Okay, that's good to hear. All right. So again, your homework from last class was to identify or answer this question. Okay, what does a plant need to grow? Okay, and your answers were, what are your answers again? Can you please read?
5 things plants need to grow.
To grow.
What? Light, air, space to grow, and nutrients.
Okay. All right. So all your answers there are correct already. Okay. So it is very important or essential for a plant to have, of course, water. Okay. It needs water because, Koy, of course, the plant cannot survive. Okay. Especially in a hot place. Okay. So it also needs to drink. So plants there are also like people. It also needs food. It needs water. It needs air, okay, to live, of course. All right, next is it needs sunshine. Okay, so sometimes there are other plants, Koy, that doesn't need sunshine. Okay, there are other plants that doesn't want the sun. Okay, it is for indoor, it is an indoor plant. Okay, and then indoor plant, Koy, is it's supposed to be just inside the house. You're not supposed to show it to the sun, have it sunlight. Okay, there's no need for that. But there are plants like fruits, vegetables, okay, that definitely needs sunshine. You need to plant it outside the house, okay? All right.
Okay.
Also, it needs food. Okay, so boy, the food that the plant needs, okay, is different from what we have. Okay, the food of plants here can be, um, can also be somehow, not literally a food. Okay, not literally a food because you're not going to give a bread to the plant. Okay, that's not how it goes, or so that is not going to work. Okay, so plant has its own food. Okay, next one we have. Okay, it needs time to grow and it needs space to grow. Okay, it needs time. All right, so you cannot easily, like for this one example. Okay, for example, today you planted a seed of a tomato. Okay, and then tomorrow you said, I already want a tomato. So that's not how it works. Okay, you have to wait maybe for 2 months, for 3 months, okay, for weeks for it to um, bear a fruit. Okay, for you to be able to harvest a fruit, of course, you need to water. Okay, you need to wait for it. All right, you have to wait for it to grow and its space to grow as well. Okay, so that is why learn what your plant needs. Okay. Learn what plant it is as well. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Koi, do you have any plants at home?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of plants dear that you have? Do you have?
Um.
What
mm,
plants do you
What?
have?
Um.
Koi, can you
mm,
hear me well?
Yes.
Okay. So again, what plants do you have at home?
Uh. On the plants I have is I don't know.
Oh, you don't know any. Okay. Is it also for fruits, vegetables, or only flowers?
It's plain.
Plain. Okay. So koi plants here, because plants have different types, okay? So plants here can be like this one, okay? Plant bearing fruit. When we say plant bearing fruit, it means it's not just a plant, okay? You can also expect a fruit or a vegetable in it. All right. And aside from the flowers, of course, some other plants doesn't have flowers, okay? Some plants just have green leaves, something like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, so what do you need to grow? So, Koi, you can see that the pictures below or the pictures above show what a plant needs to grow and flower. Below is a picture of you as you're growing up. Okay, so Koi, a while ago, all right, I asked you what the plant needs, and you can see below in here, right? Or what the plant needs. So with all of these, okay, given to the plant will definitely grow on its own already. Or not on its own, or the plant will successfully grow. Okay, what about for a person? What does a person needs to grow? So Koi, please get your pencil and paper, dear, because you're going to have another writing activity. No need to draw anything, dear. You just have to write all the things, okay, all the necessary things, important things that a child, okay, a person needs to grow. Okay?
Okay.
All right. You understand what you need to do?
Yes.
Okay, you may start answering now, dear. Just write on your paper all the things, necessary things that a child needs in order to grow. Anything, dear. Whatever you think is necessary for a kid to
Thôi tập mình mới đi cho bạn. I'm done now, teacher.
Okay. So what are your answers, Steve? Can you please read your answers?
The person needs water, food, time to grow, learn to grow.
Okay. Can you please repeat this word? We have grow, not grew.
Grow.
Yes, grow. Because grew, dear, is the past tense of grow. Okay. And if you are going to pronounce it, it will sound a bit incorrect. Okay. So this is grew. This grew is the past tense of the word grow. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, dear. So a person, Koi, not only needs, okay, not only needs food, clothes, a person needs a lot of things to grow. We have the food, we have the home, we have the parents, okay, or family, even if not parents, any family members, okay, maybe the parents are working, maybe the parents are not around, so we can be any family, grandma or grandpa, okay. You also need money, of course. Okay, Koi, money is very important for a kid, for a child to grow. Okay, how are you able to buy food? How are you able to buy clothes if there's no money? Okay,
Okay.
all right. So that is one of the most important thing. Okay, that the person should have in order to grow. So that's why here, okay, parents, they do not, um, they do not ask, okay, or parents somehow always needs to earn money, work, okay, in order to raise their kids, all right, because the kids needs, or the child needs to go to school, the child needs to buy things, okay, that's why parents are working hard. Okay, all right, thank you. So now, dear, check homework. Do you have any questions for this? Do you have any questions for this, Koi? Hello? Hello? Are you here?
Yes.
Yes? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, so let's now proceed with check homework. All right, so look and match. You're just going to match here the feelings or the facial expressions, the pictures A to F, to the words numbers 1 until 6. Okay, so for example, we have number 1, happy, that's letter C. What about sad? That's letter
That's letter A.
letter A. What about hot?
Hot is letter D.
Cold?
Cold is letter F.
Okay, tired.
Tired, letter B.
Okay, letter B, and then
Angry, letter E.
okay, letter E. Thank you, boy. So, dear, I know you are already very much familiar of facial expressions. Okay, because you are, or you also do this by yourself. Okay, no need to discuss this further. All right, so now go activity number 2, read and match. Okay, so a while ago you have learned about feelings. Okay, happy, sad, hot, cold, tired, and angry. So what about for activity 2? Okay, now dear, you're going to match, okay, the other halves of the phrases to the other halves. For example, number 1, I'm tired. What about number 2?
Me too.
2, 3. Let's
Let's watch. Let's watching TV.
let's
Oh no, let's watch cartoons.
let's watch cartoon. Number 4.
Number 4, no, I don't like watching TV.
Right.
Okay, what about making a cake?
That's good. And lastly, 6.
6, okay, that's great.
All right. Thank you. Okay, that's great. All right. So, Koi, dear, you have to be a little bit careful, okay, with the other halves every time, okay, because sometimes they can also work with each or with other words. Like for example, let's watch, okay, for example, or me too. I'm great. I'm tired. Okay. So I'm great. I'm tired. Both can work. Okay. But for the given phrases that we have in here, you have to somehow trial and error. Okay. You understand?
Okay,
Okay. So what about activity 3, Koi? Look again and complete the phrases. Can you just please repeat your answers? 1,
1, I'm tired. 2, me too. 3, let's watch cartoons. 4, no, I don't like watching TV. Or what about making a cake? That's great.
Okay. Thank you. All right. No, I don't like watching TV. What about making a cake? That's great. All right. Thank you very much, dear, for your answers, Koi. Good job. Okay. So what about this one? Activity number 1? Look, find, and write. Okay. So dear, you're going to identify, okay, the words that are supposed to describe the pictures in here. Okay. You can take a look at the puzzle first in order to make sure that your answers are correct. So for example, number 1, this is autumn. Okay, this is the spelling as well. What about number 2?
Number 2, spring.
Okay, spring. All right, you already have the words in here. You just have to identify in what numbers. Number 2, spring. Number 3,
Have a picnic.
4,
4, make a no snowman.
and 5.
Number 5, plant plant flower.
Plant flowers. Okay, spring, have a picnic, make a snowman, and plant flowers. Thank you, Koi. Okay, activity 2, read, choose a word from the box or choose the words in here. Write the correct word next to number 1 to 5. There is one example. For this activity, Koi, okay, dear, I will be asking you to get the pencil and paper once again because this is a writing activity, dear. You have to write the text. Oh, your baby sister is there. Okay. So, dear, you have to write this whole text along with your answers. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, again, boy, write the seasons, some countries until the parks on your paper, and then choose your answers here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can start now.
Cái bút trên ha.
Does I write?
Yes, dear. That's what I explained a while ago. You have to write first, and then you're going to show it to me, and then we're going to check it afterwards.
Write all the
Yes, dear, you are going to write from the word some until the part. You're going to write the whole text and then answer.
okay.
Can you still see your book or the activity that you're doing? Can you still see it?
What?
No? Okay, what about right now? Can you see it now?
Again, I don't hear.
Can you see it? Can you see your activity on your screen?
Yes.
Okay, please continue. Are you done at the end?
Not yet.
Okay, please continue. Okay, dear. As much as I want to wait, okay, as much as I want to wait for your answers for you to be able to accomplish this one, we don't have much time left anymore. Okay, so kindly continue answering this. Okay, once our class is done. All right, what number are you already answering, Koi?
Um, number number 3.
Number 3. Okay, so Koi, I'll be sending a copy of this after our class, and for your, okay, wait. All right, and I will be also sending you another activity so that can be your homework. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
Koi? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, again, Koi, let me explain. All right, so please continue answering the activity later after our class, and I'll be sending another activity. I know it's just an easy one, so you can answer it on your own. Okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, so thank you very much, dear, for our class tonight. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye.